the star show.
Oh, the beautiful little parakeet. All right, we're going to trim up Elizabeth's wings so that she can come out and hang out a little bit more. All right, so let's get started.
No, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy. It was built to be
Safety first. It's important to have a little bit of first aid stuff around. So a little of this powder, just in case, will stop the bleeding right away. So have this on standby. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
Yeah, you keep that there. Scissors is right here.
Dad, put the scissors under the bed. Under there.
Okay.
So she won't like fly to the...
I'm gonna remove this top part.
Ooh.
Ow. Come here, Elizabeth. Come here, little baby.
Keep your finger right by your tiny bushy mind.
Oh. Everything is killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better. Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make myself a promise.
All right, we're just gonna give you a little haircut, little baby. This'll be okay. One, two, three, four.
Make sure you get the ball.
Kind of say what she wants, maybe. Oh wow. Oh,
She can still fly?
I didn't trim her too much. I don't want to trim her too much. You're a pretty little girl. Yeah. Here you go. Oh, yeah.
This is cute. Oh,
But she probably won't fly into the walls now. And we can always trim her up a little bit. Hey, Elizabeth. Here you go. Over to Lily J. Oh, it's okay. Here you go, little bit. Step there. Oh, cute little kisses. We'll have to maybe wait just a minute till she's ready. I bet she'll fly over to you in a minute. Oh, you little cutie. Thanks for trusting me. Oh, I bet. Give me some kisses.
I think she didn't want to be pet there.
Maybe up here more? Oh, she just wants to chill, right? Check out her new clip.
pinpoint and time.
She trusts you. She's like, yeah, consistent.
Look how good that wing clipping looks too. Look how perfect in the back. Oh, she might get a little scared.
Oh, yeah.
See, that's like
Okay.
exactly 4. I left them pretty long so she can still fly. But she's still a baby, so now she just won't fly into the walls so much. Oh yeah, pretty good. Alright, so here I am with our sweet little Elizabeth. And we just gave her a little wing clip, her very first one. And it was my first time ever clipping a bird's wings also. And I was kind of scared to do it. I was really scared because I wanted to be, safe. But it's really easy and it's a nice bonding experience. Like, now here she is in the palm of my hand. You don't have to feel like you're a bad guy taking care of your bird. My African gray, she has full flight. She's a 21-year-old African gray. But sometimes a bird needs their wings clipped. And, oh yeah, what's up, sweetheart?
Angel.
What about Angel?
How about Angel? What about
Oh yeah, Angel is my son's cockatoo. And Angel can fly just a little bit. And Slater's in between letting her get her free flight back and maybe continuing to clip her wings. But I'm really glad that we got this bonding experience with her, buddy. Here you go, I'm gonna give you a little love. Give me some kisses. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, you sweet. And then I'll teach you how to zoom in and zoom out. Might be kind of fun for you. See on your finger right up here? See that right there? Move that thing back and forth when you look at us. See that? Zooms in and out. And then you get a nice little close-up of your bird. I have you right in the palm of my hand. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. You never know what we might be doing here on Our Awesome Adventures. What's gonna happen when our African gray, Congo parrot, and our cockatoo hangs out with their little friend?
Oh, Dad,
Yeah.
you should tell them or show them of Angel's shower.
Oh yeah, we have to post some videos of Angel taking a shower.
Ooh,
Oh yeah, just a little bit. She got a little stage fright. Aww.
oh, thank you for the kisses.
Think she can come up on my shoulder?
Oh.
Come here, little birdie. Come up here. Come here. You wanna come up on my shoulder? Come on over here by me. You wanna see if she'll go on you, sweetheart?
Hmm?
Here, you grab the camera bag. Come here, little baby. I know she's gonna take off, right? I might have to trim her a little bit more. That's what kind of. Alright, so she still has quite a bit of flight. So we're gonna go ahead and trim her up just a little bit more. Alright, little Elizabeth, here we go. We're gonna put you in my hand right here. And we're gonna spread your little. Oh,
Oh,
pretty good
gosh.
bite right there you got, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
See what she said. What's going on? I'm gonna have another parakeet there.
Ah! Ooh. Ah. She got me pretty good there. Like tiny, tiny little bite right in the corner. Ah, I don't blame you though. I just trimmed up a little bit. Ah,
She's tiny, but she's mighty.
tiny but mighty.
Wait, stick. Oh. Ah! Oh, it feels like a shot. Like
Yeah.
like a needle
Where's
shot.
that sheet actually?
Where's that?
All right, so we trimmed her up a little bit more, as you can see right here. And she still loves me, actually. Give me a kiss. Here, little baby. Step up on my hand, little baby. Come here.
Wait, can I?
Yeah, you can do it too. If she bites a hold of you, it don't hurt too bad. It just hurts for a couple seconds.
Yeah, it's like a quick.
Well, she should be able to be better at not flying too high now.
Still a little shy. I'm feeling
Say hello to your little friend. I just trimmed up that little baby's nail. I mean, her wings.
now.
21 years I've been best friends with this sweet little bird.
Feeling like that.
And I think how about me? How about
Oh, you've known this little baby since he was born.
this one?
Oh, this little sweetheart.
Do we let Orion go to bed or?
I don't know. See if Orion wants to go over
Probably
by her.
going to be sweet.
You gonna say hi to your little sweetie friend? What do you think of that little baby bird?
It looks like she's shaking.
Is Orion shaking? Are you shaking?
Hey, little nervous.
Here, Orion, come up here. They seem to be pretty friendly with each other.
This is your baby sister.
I think it mostly Ryan would act like her mom because she's older
Yeah.
than her.
Look over here, Orion.
Orion.
So I think Ryan is most.
She's so curious.
Aww.
Oh, she's giving kisses.
That's her little feather.
And lucky I brought the straw stain out.
Is she gonna play tug of war with you?
She been.
Oh, really?
Does she like tug of war?
Yeah. Well, I didn't pull hard. She's super strong.
She's so strong. You're strong about a bird.
But mostly Ryan is strong and parrot.
Oh.
Mostly she is a bird, so she's the strong and bird. She's the strong and parrot, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, that's good.
You had it right. You're the strongest parrot.
And she's a bird, so she is the strong bird.
Yeah.
Baby.
Then both girls don't have to have their feelings hurt on. He's the strongest. Oh yeah, she wants to play some more tug of war. Come here, little baby.
That's so funny. What you gotta say to everybody? Hopefully Orion don't fly off too, because she's scared or something.
No, Ryan won't.
Oh.
Look, Orion.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Aw.
Hey, little Elizabeth. Say hello to my best friend, Orion. Ryan. Come here, little Ryan. All right. Hey, come look at this little pet.
Don't. She's not a pet. She is a.
We're just telling
No.
Orion.
If Ryan's
Little sister.
or mom.
Oh,
one.
yeah. Say hello. This one's got a beautiful spirit. We were just wondering the same thing, actually.
Gorgeous spirit.
Dad, who's beautiful?
Well, I'm looking at the
You look at Elizabeth.
so many beautiful girls in front of me right now.
You see, Elizabeth, Ryan, or Angel.
All three are gorgeous. Elizabeth is gorgeous. Orion is gorgeous. And you're gorgeous. Of course.
Mhm.
Dad, can I try over?
Yeah, let's try to get her over to you. Ryan, come over here, Ryan. Maybe you help out a little bit. Tell this bird to step up on.
How about you show her how to step up?
Yeah, you can teach her. I think she likes the palm of the hand, I think. So maybe give your hand like this. And then we'll teach her, even though she don't know yet. Say, step down.
Step down.
Step down, little baby. And we won't force her to yet, but how about you grab one of them little treats that she likes?
No, I think Ryan I think Ryan should show her.
What do you think, Ryan? You show her how to step up, little baby? I love you, Ryan. We'll come around over this way, little baby.
Someone camera shy.
Yeah, Ryan doesn't like the camera that much.
Fun. She's like, get that on my face. You must love the camera. Not Elizabeth.
Yeah, she's like loving the camera.
She's like, ooh, it was fun being out of my cage.
I think the green one is her favorite. This one?
Oh, yeah, there you go.
And this is her.
Oh, let's have her step up on your hand and hold your palm like this right there. Open it all the way up. And then put this seed right over here by the camera. Or hold it right here. And then we'll see if she'll go for it. Remember, she bite you, it only hurt for a second. So just hold steady and let her bite you if she does.
I think
No.
that's too high.
Go ahead and set the treat down like right there in your hand to try to get her on your
Ow.
head. Hey, go for the little treat. There you go.
We can have
Just
it.
hold your palm like that. Put it right in the
She
middle.
thought it was your
Hold your palm like mine.
hand
Like
was
that.
like food.
And then we'll go like this right in the middle. See if she goes for it now. Maybe she'll at least eat off your hand.
Why not? Get her on my bed.
You want to try to put her on the bed?
Yeah, I think she liked the bed more.
Oh, she's preening my hairs. Did you see that? She's preening my arm hair. That was cute. That felt like really good, like ticklish.
Got her.
Look at this bird, Orion.
She just bit me.
Did she really?
Yeah.
Aww.
She really likes you.
But she probably liked me more.
Yeah, you
Right?
can tell. Say that again.
Right? She liked me more than you.
What do you think, Elizabeth?
What does Orion think?
She's probably jealous she liked you.
You think?
Oh.
Yeah. She's a girl. She pooped on me a little.
Oh,
Don't film that. Don't embarrass the little girl. On
Oh,
camera.
sorry. I look like that was you.
Ryan, what you doing, little baby? Oh, bless you.
Oh, Ryan.
How did you break her off the ground?
Oh, yeah, I just grabbed her, actually.
You just grab her?
Well, you gotta be kind of. I can teach you. She's your bird, so I should teach you, actually. So, when you grab them, you want to be real careful. Because their wings, you want to hold them like the same like angle that their wings are at now when you grab them, see? So, like, just kind of preening her little brand new cut wings now.
I want to bring her out there.
So you would just gently go grab her like this, and then you just hold their wings like this, and then you can go and pat it.
Can you try to see what happens?
I need a change in my life because I don't feel alive and there's nothing that
See?
makes me happy.
Maybe. You think you can do it? Watch. So you just gotta be gentle, and you let them trust you and stuff. And if they get a hold of you, it's okay. You know.
Aww.
Oh, she almost stepped up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good job. You stepped up.
Can I try?
Good girl. Did you tell her to step up, Orion? Dang, that was her first step up. I don't know.
Oh, can you like
That's pretty good. Step down.
What?
She bit me. She's like, "Hey, don't put me down, dude. I like being on you."
She's like, you're like super cool.
When I tried putting her on the bed, she gave me a little bite.
You probably want to go on the bed. What's the matter?
Ryan just like not even watching. She's like, whatever. Oh, she's almost thought about it. And she's like, psyched. Just fixing my bracelet. Ooh. Oh yeah, there you go. Step up. Oh yeah. Oh, almost. Oh, you're good. Good. She bite me like, hey, don't let me go on these guys. Hey, these girls are sweeties. You can trust
that was
them.
scary, guys. Like,
Remember, when she gets you, just hold steady. She won't get you too bad. It does hurt a little when she get you with all
it
her might.
actually does. Kind of.
Oh, you like being on me, little birdie?
Can I try to pick her up?
The
Yeah.
bird whispered.
Well, maybe not on my hand though. Wait, next time she flies, we'll have you do it, okay? And just remember,
She will fly.
when you grab a hold of her, you're gonna just grab like this and hold her wings steady. Don't squeeze, but you gotta squeeze a tiny bit, but just not too hard. Yeah. And then then you just kind of gently lift him up, and then boom, open your hand.
I'm nervous.
Don't grab her though.
I was trying to see if it. Oh.
Oh, that's a pretty little chirp.
She did it.
Good job. You're so good with birds and animals.
Oh, this is cute.
Lily J just grabbed a hold of her and picked her up and put her right in her hand. Like a pro.
Not exactly the first time.
Yeah, it took
Well,
you a
this is
little
the
bit
first
over.
Not like the first.
Yeah, not the first
time.
grab on her. Because you wanted to make sure you grabbed her the right way.
Try to
You did
fix your
really
bracelet
good.
for the camera.
Yeah, oh yeah, right.
She gotta look pretty, just like you. You're beautiful. You both are gorgeous. Oh, you too.
She's not scared of the camera.
Yeah, prize.
Yeah.
If you grab it, it'd be good to get her on camera too. She's squeezing on.
What's up, Angel?
Can you get Angel away from her because she's squeezing on?
Oh, is she getting a little scared? She's holding on tight.
Yeah.
Good looking out for you, girl. Yeah, scooch Angel over there, see if she lightens up her talon grip.
Oh, she did a little.
She loosened up a little.